This video series has been filmed at AGC Northampton in the UK. This is a manufacturing site certified to IATF 16949 under a corporate scheme. AGC are a global organisation manufacturing automotive glass products for OE and service applications. The series simulates several scenarios in an IATF 16949 audit. Watch this video and see if the auditor is undertaking an effective audit.
So Scott, could you talk me through the special characteristics, please, for this product?
Yeah, so the special characteristics for this windshield is the logo or homologation mark that everybody here knows it as the logo. So all we're doing for each piece of glass is confirming that the logo exists.
Do you apply the logo here?
No, we don't apply the logo here. The logo is applied in the naked glass plants. So all that we do here is inspect, and each station in the factory that checks it has this logo.
And that's the symbol, the D inside of the triangle,
yes,
yeah?
That's the D inside the triangle, and that's referenced in the control plan and the FMEA as well.
And we can pick those records up back from the system. Brilliant,
yes.
Okay. I understand from earlier in the audit when we talked about the strategy that there's a project to go lead-free on the solder, is that correct?
Yes, so now all customers are going to lead-free soldering. So this model has lead-free soldering, so we're soldering 2 terminals here. So this is a customer-specific design.
Yeah.
Not actually managed by us in this plant. It's managed by our head office central development team.
Okay, but they communicate the change to you when it'll be ready, etc.
Yes, so after design is completed and we've done feasibility, so us as an added value plant will get involved from feasibility, DFMEA and PFMEA involvement.
Okay. And we can see the records of those interactions with
Yes.
that remote support location
Yes.
within the thing. Okay.
Yes.
We'll follow that as an audit trail, Scott. Thank you very much. Thank you.
In this video, the auditor is questioning the auditee on special characteristics. It is explained the special characteristics for the windscreen is the logo or homologation mark, which is a legal requirement. It is explained that the logo is moulded into the naked glass, and this isn't in the site being audited. The auditors should verify the process for checking the presence and the readability of the logo throughout the manufacturing process by making reference also to the PFMEA and the control plan. This partly relates to IATF 16949 requirement 4.4.1.1, conformance of products and processes, which, considering sanction interpretation 23, states the organisation shall ensure conformance of all products and processes, including service parts and those that are outsourced, to all applicable customer, statutory and regulatory requirements, including conformance to material requirements. And for this we have to see 8.4.2.2. And also we can refer to 8.3.3.3 special characteristics, taking into account sanction interpretation 6. The organisation shall use a multidisciplinary approach to establish, document and implement its process to identify special characteristics, including those determined by the customer and the risk analysis performed by the organisation, and shall include the following. A. Documentation of special characteristics in the product and or manufacturing process documents as required, relevant risk analysis such as the PFMEA, control plans and standard work operator instructions. Special characteristics are identified with specific marking and are documented in the manufacturing documents, which show the creation of or the controls required for these special characteristics. B. Development of control and monitoring strategies for special characteristics of products and production processes. C. Customer specified approvals when required. D. Compliance with customer specified definitions and symbols or the organization's equivalent symbols or notations as defined in the symbol conversion table. The symbol conversion table shall be submitted to the customer if required. The auditor then follows an audit trail to question the organization on the change to lead-free solder in the process. It is explained that the design work is not done on this site, but at a remote location within the corporate scheme. It is explained that the manufacturing site are involved in the feasibility review, and also they're involved in the development of the DFMEA, PFMEA, and control plan. When auditing in large corporate organizations, it is important that auditors not only audit the processes that occur at the manufacturing site, but also they verify the interactions with any remote support locations. In this case, the design center managing the product design changes. In this audit, the auditor has the tendency to ask too many leading questions, and in audits we should keep these types of questions to a minimum. So let's summarize. When auditing products with statutory and regulatory requirements related to product safety, it is important the auditors focus on the control of the identified special characteristics and verify the controls are defined in the PFMEA and the control plan, and the controls are effectively implemented. When auditing in multi-site corporate organizations, it is important that auditors not only audit the processes that occur at the site, but they also audit the effectiveness of interactions with any remote support locations. In this case, the location involved in product design change.